Hello friends! Having trouble starting your diesel engine, especially in cold weather? Maybe you're experiencing rough idling or excessive white smoke. If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0541, it means there's a problem with the intake air heater B circuit low. Ignoring this issue can lead to hard starts, poor fuel efficiency, and increased emissions. In this video I'll explain what P0541 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0541? What is P0541? The P0541 code stands for Intake Air Heater B Circuit Low. This means the engine control module, ECM, is detecting low voltage or an open circuit in the secondary intake air heater system. This heater is essential for warming incoming air in diesel engines, ensuring smooth cold starts and better fuel combustion. Common symptoms of P0541: hard starting in cold weather, rough idle during startup, excessive white smoke from the exhaust check engine light (CEL), illuminated decreased fuel economy. If you notice these symptoms, let's locate the faulty component. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0541, check these key components. Intake air heater relay secondary heater circuit. Location, inside the fuse/relay box, usually near the battery. Intake air heater element secondary circuit. Location, mounted in the intake manifold or air intake piping. Heater control module HCM. Location, attached near the engine or firewall, managing heater function, wiring harness and connectors. Location, runs from the relay to the ECM and intake heater element. Tip: if your intake heater isn't working properly, your diesel engine may struggle to start in cold weather. Common causes of P0541. 1. Faulty intake air heater relay. A malfunctioning relay may prevent the heater from receiving power. 2. Burnt out heater element. If the heating element is damaged, it won't generate heat properly. 3. Wiring or connector issues. Loose, corroded or broken wires can cause a low voltage problem. 4. Blown fuse. A short circuit or high current can cause a fuse to blow, cutting power to the heater. 5. Faulty ECM or heater control module. A bad ECM may not send the correct voltage to the heater circuit. How to fix P0541? How to fix P0541? Step 1. Scan the system with an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0541 code. Step 2. Check the intake air heater relay and test for voltage. Step 3. Test the heater element's resistance with a multimeter. If it's too high or zero, replace it. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors for damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Step 5. Check and replace any blown fuses related to the heater circuit. Step 6. Test the ECM or heater control module for any internal faults. Step 7. Clear the code and restart the vehicle to check if the issue is resolved. Final words. Ignoring P0541 can lead to cold start problems, excess fuel consumption, and increased emissions. Fixing it early will ensure smoother starts and better engine performance. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0332, knock sensor 2 circuit low, bank 2, P0333, knock sensor 2 circuit high, bank 2. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.